Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve Business Standard Newspaper Sudoku puzzle on May 24, 2022. Very hard Sudoku. Column F, fifth row, we have 8. 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Fifth row, column B, and sixth row, we have 4 and 8. Four and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Sixth row, column C, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells, then 2 is confirmed here. Fourth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Seventh row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Fifth row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column F, we have 4 and 8. So 4 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column G, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Second grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1 to 5. It will come in another 3 cells. We will confirm later. Column F, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Fifth grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 5, 6, 7. It will come in another 3 cells. We will confirm later. Fifth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column G, column E, we have 6. 6 can't come these cells, then 6 is confirmed here. Fifth grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. Column E, we already have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column G, 3 numbers are remaining, 1 to 5. 8th row, we have 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 5. 5 is confirmed here. Third row and fourth row, we have 4. Column G also we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 7. 7 can't come in this cell. 7 will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column I, 4th row, we have 7. 7 can't come these cells. 7 will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column J, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. Then 7 is confirmed here. column H, column I, 8th row, we have 8. 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 8th row and 9th row, column H, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column H, column I, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. 5 will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Third row, we have 9. 9 can't come in the cell. 9 will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Third row and fourth row, column B, we have 9. 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Column D, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. The 9 is confirmed here. 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. It will come in with the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column J, only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. Since 3 is here, so 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 4th grade, only 1 number is remaining. 1 is confirmed here. 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column H, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 9th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column B, 4th row, we have 1. 1 can't come these cells. 1 will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Third row and 4th row, we have 1. 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Second row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Ninth row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 8th row, only 1 number is remaining, 3. 3 is confirmed here. 9th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 9th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column C, column D, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 10th row, 9th row, 7th grade also we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Since 5 is here, so 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. 10th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 10th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. 9th row, only 1 number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. 10th row, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 4. It will come in another two cells. We will confirm later. Column D, 4th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 4th row, we have 1. 7 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. First grade, two numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. Column C, we have already have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Column C, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column C, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 4th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 6th row, only one number is remaining. 9, 9 is confirmed here. Column I, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. 4th row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 4th row, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.